Hello, Steve here again in my temporarily tidy shed. I'm back in here because I can't get the new one going because I'm having trouble with the electrics. So I've got electrics in here, but it's not up to standard to be extended to get to the next one. So long story, but hey, I'm here, it's tidy and I'm working. So trying to stop this from going to landfill today, it is a Hoover H-Handy 700 cordless vacuum. There it is, it's like a wand. It's a cordless wand. I actually bought this one faulty off eBay and it cuts out after a few seconds. So I've got the charger, I've got a dustbin, I guess. Don't know what that is, don't know how it works. Some attachments. In the box. Should have a good charge in it. Here it is. Okay, so it is used. And I'm hoping that basically this is just a clogged filter somewhere. I have tested it and the description is right, so if I switch it on, okay, so that lasted a lot longer than it did, but it's not that warm in here. So when I tried it in the house, it lasted maybe 10-15 seconds. That seemed to be a good minute then. But it's switched off now, and it's not flat. Come straight back on. No. Flashing red light, and it's off. Okay. Hey. That pops off, and this is the collection bin. I mean, it's not that good of a vacuum really. This has just come off there. So I don't think it's that, because this filter actually looks remarkably clean. There's a handle there, but separate filter from mesh to clean. Looks like somebody's tried. Oh, there we go. That's quite dusty, but then I've just dusted a load of white stuff off there. Yeah, I don't think I've just cleaned this much up. I wonder if somebody's tried to separate it and then couldn't. There's no... It smells like sweets. I don't know if I've got any tinned air. Yes, I have. That seems to be quite clean now. I'm not sure if that was the one. I thought it would be more likely to be an internal filter. Okay. Okay, this says to wash them out with water. If I'm reading it correctly. Take that off. Oh, that's pulling out the filter. Empty it. Clean it with a cloth, no water. Take this part out. Scrub it. Wash it. That's separating it. Wash it. And then let them dry for 24 hours. I'll give them a good brush. Let's just see if it's fixed it, because I'm guessing that that's all that was wrong here. It seemed to run okay without it on. No, that's... I wonder what that is. It works without it. Don't know. Didn't they cut it out? Right, well that's working perfectly now, so I think I'll just give it a good clean, see if it comes up any better. I think it will. I'll give it a proper clean out now and see how it performs once it's dried off. So I'll be back in a minute to wrap it up. Alright, it's the next day now. These are a very good wash and dried out on the radiator overnight. It says dried 24 hours, but I think that's just on the drainer, so the radiator, they are bone dry. Giving that a little clean. And also that is a lot better. It's quite compacted in there. That's alright now. I haven't got my microphones on and I'm only using shaky cam today, so apologies if the sound's no good. I did try to modify this camera to put an external microphone on, but that didn't work and it did mess up the mics a bit, so apologies. I've had the wand on charge overnight. I've taped it onto the charger, but the blue light's solid now, so that's fully charged. I'll pop this all back together now. That just twists onto there and locks into place, and then it just fits there. Can't do it, I'm only using a small screen on the camera, so there we go, that's in place. And then pop that on there. Like so. Now I'm going to grab shake can and we'll go to the new shed and do a bit of tidying up, and I'll give you a quick look round at where we're at with that. So let's go round. There it is. This is the office side. And this is the bit I'm working on first. So far I've boarded out 2 4 walls, got the plugged sockets in, that's for just for USB. Fully insulated. And then here the wiring, which will go through the roof into the fuse board. Sorry you're not here to see this. If I just have a little tidy up and we'll see how long it lasts. Obviously I won't film it all. Let's see how good it is first. That's clean. I'm going to put my back in there. Lovely. Try and do that head on like in the adverts. Okay, I'll keep going and I'll tell you how long it's been going for. Been going about 5 minutes so far. To show you how it picks up some of the heavier stuff. It really is quite good. Right, 14 minutes it lasted. Had to empty it a few times. I really must say it's not for heavy duty work. You can see the debris just collect. And also one little thing I noticed, I'm going to take that off. Take the filter out. And if I empty it, down in the bottom things get trapped to some of the heavier things like pieces of wire, just get stuck down the bottom there. So I mean really it's not designed to pick up big stuff, although it does say that it is the pet hair model somewhere. I read it somewhere. Ah, there it is. Pets. One other thing I noticed, that this was looking a bit knocked about, but nope, it's lovely. It's almost new. So there you go. If you're having trouble with your wand, it's probably a block filter just overheating it. All in all, a good buy. I think I paid £7 for it off eBay, so really happy with it. It won't replace my main vacuum, but yeah, it's pretty good. Okay, so I'll leave it at that, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.